Day 2 at the Bricker house. We are taking out the cabinets. Doug is looking at the plumbing, and of course Leo is helping.
You know, day 1 of demo, we got the upper and lower cabinets out. Now we still have to take that pantry out. This is what the kitchen looked like. It's kind of a compilation of the really old original wood with drywall on top, and then wood paneling and plywood. Pretty interesting mixture. Plumbing was interesting. There's like 4 valves here, which I don't know how you get 4 valves with hot and cold, but that's what it looks like after half of the day of day 1 demo. All right, starting the demo on our new bathroom wall and bedroom. This is a good termite damage up there. Sounds like tile fell down in this room. All right, so still day 1. Demoing the floor is going very slow. I figured there'd be a couple layers of floor. Started tearing down into it, found out there's not a couple, there's 6. So these big planks I'm actually assuming is the 6th layer. I hope there's nothing below that, but what they put on that I thought was subflooring, but they're not. They're actually like tongue and groove oak flooring. Then they put this weird checkered stuff, which I don't even know what it is. Like vinyl tile stuff. They glued the crap out of that, almost tar. It turned that oak flooring black. But so you got the original plank, then you have that oak tongue and groove, which is a shame they went over that. Then this green stuff. So that's 3. Then you can see all the different layers there. So that's the oak, that's the green stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different layers of flooring. And this is the bottom layer because I can feel cold air coming up through there. So in 1913, these were the original floor slats, but I just wanted to show that there's 6 layers of floor in this kitchen. Then this is Elizabeth's bathroom work. She's been tearing the house down. So where she's at now is where our new bathroom is going to end. So we're going to go all the way to the end of that bathtub and steal that real estate for our bathroom. It looks like a million years off from where we're at right now, but it'll get there.